This is the summary of Welding Complete, techniques, project plans and instructions by editors of CPI. A one-of-a-kind welding book exploring the practical and decorative aspects of welding, with an emphasis on the hard-working projects most popular with serious workshop enthusiasts. It includes information on tools and materials, metal basics, setting up shop, safety, welding and cutting processes, but also includes dozens of plans for metalwork projects. For more hobbies and home book reviews visit www.homebookmix.com.